Hi, this is Yohann, and welcome to Your Business Bud. Are you also one of those people who aspire to get rich? Are you also thinking about how to become a millionaire and live the lifestyle you want? Maybe you're asking yourself now, what might be the first step to getting rich? If I were to be asked, I would start by developing my mindset, because I still have a lot of things to learn and things to experience as well. I need the right mindset and skills to achieve all my dreams in life. For me to develop having a millionaire mindset and millionaire skill set, I need to take the wisdom of successful people and find out what their commonalities are. That way, you'll know what things you need to do and things you should avoid. Getting rich and reaching millionaire status is just a dream for most. Because they don't know how to achieve it, their income is small, they are born poor, and many more reasons why they feel that being a millionaire is impossible. But, did you know that year by year the number of millionaires is increasing? And here's my question to you now, do you want to be among the number of new millionaires in the coming years? If your answer is yes, congratulations. And to let you know if you are on the right path to reaching your goal, I will share with you today the 5 signs that you will become a millionaire one day. These 5 signs are common behaviors and skills of millionaires that you should be aware of in order to be among them as well. And always remember, together, we can. Sign number 1. You know how to handle money. Did you know that there are 3 things you should do with your money? If you know and do these 3 things now, congratulations, because you will definitely be a millionaire one day. The 3 things you should do with money are: first, you must know how to earn it. We all have the wisdom to make money. It's either we work, do business, sell, or invest. There are many ways to make money today. And earning big is the first thing you should be able to master if you want to be a millionaire someday. The second thing you should do with money is to manage it properly. Some of us earn a lot of money. They have no problem with their income, because it can provide for all their needs. But most of us also don't know how to manage money. They think it is enough that they earn big, and don't really plan where and when they use it. As a result, they are unable to save and often even incur large debts. Confident that they earn a lot, they forget the discipline in managing their money. It is important that you have money management knowledge, because you can easily understand your spending habits, and it will also help you save quickly. And the third thing you should do with your money is to multiply it. Many of us earn large incomes. Many of us also know how to manage money. But unfortunately, very few people know how to multiply money. Saving is important. And those skills are also part of fulfilling your dreams. But if you want to be a millionaire and stay a millionaire, you must have the skills to invest. Millionaires are masters at these 3 things. They earn a huge amount. They know how to manage money. And they also know how to increase their money. So if you're doing these now, just keep going, because that's the first sign that you'll be a millionaire someday. Sign number 2. You are comfortable with the topic of money. When you are comfortable talking about the topic of money with your friends, that is a sign that you are determined to get rich, you have the willingness to enhance your knowledge of money, and you have a mindset similar to a rich person. The reason why most people don't want to talk about money is that they feel guilty about their wrong decision. They are ashamed of their situation, or maybe they don't want others to know how irresponsible they are in handling their money. Instead of talking about how to save and invest, they would rather put it aside and talk about the issues that have spread on social media, or issues that have nothing to do with their lives. You should not be ashamed to talk about money with your family, friends, and anyone else, because it helps you and other people to improve the situation. You should be proud to tell others why you are saving now, what your strategies are, what are the do's and don'ts about handling money, and why it's important to invest. This kind of topic is often talked about by the rich. They share with others what their money strategies are, because it sharpens their mind and it also enhances their focus. So if you often think about money, and you are comfortable talking about it with others, that is a good sign that you will be a full-fledged millionaire soon. Sign number 3. You surround yourself with successful people. If you knew that there was a huge influence the people around have on your personality and mindset, what kind of person would you want to be with? If you dream of becoming a millionaire in the next 5 years, will you join people who have no plan in their lives? When you plan to save money, will you be with people whose priority is to spend all their money to buy the latest stuff? When you are with the wrong person often, there is a good chance that you will not reach your goal. Because when you don't have the same goal, attitude, and outlook on life, no one will push and motivate you to work hard to reach your dream. According to motivational speaker Jim Rohn, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you have a good goal in life, and you surround yourself with people who also have a goal similar to yours, you can quickly achieve your goal because of being focused and dedicated to achieving it. Therefore, it is very important that you surround yourself with people who have achieved something in their lives, and the kind of people who always remind you that if they can achieve their dreams, you can, too. Sign number 4. You work hard. Are you aware that the majority of successful people are hardworking? They wake up early, work long hours, and keep on upgrading their skills. If you know what you want to happen in your life, and when you accompany it with hard work, that is also one of the signs that you will be a millionaire one day. Because, the outcome of a person who is just diligent, is different, compared to a person who is diligent and has a goal. The hardworking person, is probably content with what he is now, and his progress is weak because he has no goal and timeline to follow. People who are hardworking, and have a goal, know what their priority is every day, and they don't waste time on distractions. Because they are committed, to fulfilling their goal. Nothing happens if you do nothing. Whatever you want to achieve, you have to work hard. Just as Malcolm Gladwell wrote in his book, Outliers. All masters in any field, first devoted 10,000 hours and more, before they become experts in their chosen field. Achieving a dream requires determination, patience, and of course, hard work. Every day you have a choice. It's either you take action to gradually achieve your goal, or choose to chill and relax. The decision is always up to you. Sign number 5. You have persistence. A common behavior that successful people have, is that they have persistence. Even if they go through difficult circumstances, as long as they have not achieved what they want, they will fight, and continue until they succeed. If you have this habit now, you will definitely go far. As Og Mandino wrote in his book The Greatest Salesman in the World, if I persist, if I continue to try, if I continue to charge forward, I will succeed. And that's right. You will really succeed when you have a plan, you are willing to accept failures, and continue to improve yourself. Because if you think about it, no matter what you do, there are things coming into our lives that we cannot control. Just like losing a job, business losses, market crashes, accidents, and the majority of these are trials or challenges that you must overcome before you can achieve your goal. Everything has a price you have to pay, and being persistent is a habit you must have to finish all the things you have started. So in summary, the 5 signs that you will become a millionaire one day are: number 1, you know how to handle money. Number 2, you are comfortable with the topic of money. Number 3, you surround yourself with successful people. Number 4, you work hard. And, number 5, you have persistence. Of the 5 signs we discussed today, how many of them do you have? Please leave a comment below. I hope you learned something from our video today. Don't forget to subscribe, so you are always updated on our financial education videos. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and may all your dreams come true. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.